Cardiovascular diseases are the #1 cause of death in the United States.
Because heart disease has not been treated early or detected and treated early enough.
But there is a relatively new, non-invasive tool helping doctors determine the fitness of a person's cardiovascular system. It works by simply measuring temperature change in the finger, specifically how quickly blood returns to the hand, raising the temperature of the finger after being restricted by an inflated arm cuff.
If you have a good vascular function, the temperature rebounds quickly, so it gives you an overshoot. If you have a poor vascular function, it struggles to come back to where it was, or it comes back slowly.
Much of what's been done in the past has been like the Framingham Risk Score, which is what it says. It's a risk score, which indicates, based upon several different factors, what the probability that you may have cardiovascular disease is. Whereas this is the actual measure of an individual's health.
The results of the temperature rebound here show.
Vindus was developed by Houston cardiologist Morteza Nagavi, and now 2 University of Houston engineering professors, along with a graduate student, are using mathematical models to perfect the device in an effort to take it from clinics to your home.
Ultimately, we would like to see it be available for use in the home by people as a way of monitoring their own cardiovascular fitness. Again, it would be somewhat similar to taking a blood pressure.
But first, doctors Ralph Medcalf and Stanley Kleiss must better understand the physics behind the device, including how to control various factors that can impact test results.
How soon after eating it has been, if it's, have you just awakened, have you under stress, have you come in from exercise?
We have to have test procedures and control over the conditions to the extent that we can get repeatable results by relatively untrained individuals. And that's why the clinical studies have been so important.
This is the Vindus system for home use.
That will allow people to measure their own risk, assess how they're responding to treatment, and avoid invasive and expensive tests that may not be necessary.
It's inexpensive, cheap, and you identify those who need to get aggressive treatment. So in a way, this has the potential to revolutionize the care, cardiovascular care in this country and worldwide, as much as a heart transplant.
While high-cost, high-risk advancements like heart transplants certainly grab headlines, Dr. Nagavi and his UH collaborators hope low-cost preventive care for the masses will save more lives. At the University of Houston, I'm Sean Lindsay.